What we're demonstrating here is how the system fails over and the NFS shares continue to deliver storage connectivity. So what we've got on the left here is the NexentaStor graphical user interface, and I just failed over the NFS share from one server to the other. We've got some pings going in the lower left corner, and as the failover happens, the virtual IP address is stopped on the one server and then brought up on the other one. So there's a gap in time where there's no network connectivity. What we've got on the right screen is an IOMeter interface, and so we have three virtual machines that are connected using IOMeter in VMware's virtual machine setup, and these are connected to the storage system using NFS. And so by failing over in the middle of this 120-second test, we expect to see that there's going to be a drop in performance, a real connectivity problem in the middle. The great thing about NFS is that the VMware ESXi host will continue to stay connected to it, and it won't cause an issue. So as soon as connectivity is restored, we should see performance pick back up. And as soon as the test finishes up here, we're almost done, we'll be able to see the results of that in graphical format. In the blog posting that this is part of at adcapnet.com, there's further explanation and some pictures of these results that we're scrolling down to. I also do performance tests and talk about setting up the failover cluster on the NexentaStor operating system itself. And we've finished the test. It's just collecting data, and then we'll be able to go over to the results screen. So here we go. The results screen, we've got the latest test here. These are the different IOPS. Obviously the average IOPS are lower than we would normally have in a case like this. So let's take a look, and we can see that we've got the three virtual machines there, and we've also got some graphs that really show how the IOPS drop in the middle of there when the failover happens, and the latency spikes up, and the megabit per second throughput obviously isn't very good either. However, failover did work, and so this was a successful test.